Hi Sean. So we have a couple of pages ready here. So the first page that you asked us to create was the events page. So we have created it slightly more functional. So this is how event page will look like. So all of these are placeholder for now. But the idea here was to keep it super simple as you said. But I also wanted to give it a few more functionalities. Like for example, once we have a couple of events lined up, uh, audience will be able to filter out events by date. So let's say if they are looking for events in Feb or March, right? So then they can filter out events by date. So that's one functionality. The second functionality was by city. So we will have our United States popping up here as we create proper event listing, and they can sort out this whole dashboard basis on that. So the idea here is to keep the state or the city photo and a small description, time and state name, right? And they click on this button. This ideally should go to Eventbrite or some other page that we want us to link it with. It's a super simple page and very functional as well. Do let me know if you have any feedback on it. And we have kept it super simple, like header without any links and footer without any links going out. The second page that we were looking to build, okay, I'll still have to remove these links from here, but you asked us to create a join us page for multiple stakeholders like reseller or client or like couple of those, right? So we created this small page, again a simple page with a image and heading and all that. Then we will have these four cards here, right? So each of these cards will have the heading for the stakeholder that we have created this card for. Um, uh, we still need to get the proper content for all of these pages, but we will have the name of the stakeholder and some description and one or two feature that we want to kind of highlight. They click on this page, so we'll have like 4 or 5 of these cards here. Once they click on it, it goes to a page which looks like this. Again, there will be a heading, a CTA which takes them to this section, and a CTA which takes them to this section to play the video, right? So we have a small heading, title, subtitle, a video, and we can add any content that we want to, either on the left or on the top. Do let me know that. And then we have the form that actually takes them to, it'll be the form for this stakeholder ideally, right? So uh, again, we would need content for it, but I can quickly replicate and create multiple of these pages and link them in all of these sections here, right? And it'll be ready. So I think the only thing that we need right now is content. The third page, which I believe is ready with the content, is this one, the culture page. I'll give it to Rachel to kind of give us better images, but again, we have a page ready, which talks about our vision, mission, values, and I wanted to keep a form here. I'll change this form and probably send the notification to our internal uh, IDs. But the idea of this form was, if somebody comes to this culture page and they have any question about our company, they want to know more about us, they can fill this form and get in touch with us. I'm sending all the links to you. Do let me know what do you think about these, and if you want me to make some changes, I can quickly get those done as well. Thank you very much.